Combination Doughnut, also known as the World's Fair Doughnut, was introduced at the 1939 World's Fair in New York. The formula contains two leaveners, hence its name: yeast, which conditions the dough, and baking powder, which leavens it. Because of the addition of chemical leaveners, combination doughnuts do not require a proof box or the use of a donut screen. They can be fried on the top of the stove or in a kettle. To prepare the dough, have all the ingredients measured and set in front of you. It is also very important to have the proper equipment and all the tools needed to complete the task. Okay, we have the yeast and water already dissolved. We're going to add it all in the mixing bowl with the eggs and the sugar. Okay, we're going to mix these ingredients together so they're thoroughly blended. We have our sifted milk powder, flour, baking powder, salt, and nutmeg together. And we're going to add it to that mixture. Mix the ingredients for 3 minutes on low speed using the dough hook attachment. After 3 minutes, we're going to add the shortening. And we're going to continue mixing this dough for 8 minutes to develop the dough. Okay, the dough is developed beautifully. We're going to remove it from the machine. We're gonna put the dough in a bowl to rest. We're going to cover it with a cloth, or we could use plastic wrap. And we're going to allow the dough to rest for 30 minutes at room temperature before the makeup stage. Okay, the dough is well rested. For the makeup stage, we're going to roll out the dough into 1-inch thickness on a floured bench. It's nice and tender, well relaxed. And what I want to do is shape it into a rectangular shape. The easier it is to cut our pieces. Okay, it's rolled out to 1 inch thick. Combination doughnuts are shaped into a 1 by 3 inch rectangles. So we're going to cut a strip 3 inches. Poke a hole in the center of the rectangle and bring one end up through the middle of the hole. Gives it a nice little twist. This is the classic shape, the World's Fair. Crullers or twists are made from a 6-inch rectangular strip that are twisted and then fried. We're going to cut these a little thinner because they are twice the length. 1/2 inch would be adequate. Stretch slightly, fold, and twist. Fry the donuts in a 360-degree oil until the bottom of the dough is light brown. Flip to fry the top, being careful to get an even color on both sides. When the donuts are finished, we're going to roll them in cinnamon sugar or dust with powdered sugar. You can see where the baking powder has leavened them also. They're nice golden brown. Sift them with powdered sugar, or we can roll them in cinnamon sugar. And there you have the combination donut.